Right now, somewhere on Earth, the ground is quietly swelling. No sirens, no headlines, no countdown clock. But beneath our feet, magma is slowly moving, pressurizing, cracking rock, searching for a way out. And when it finally finds one, it won't just be another volcanic eruption. It could be the kind that reshapes continents, darkens the sky, and rewrites human history. Today, we're not talking about if another megavolcanic eruption will happen. We're talking about when and what the world will look like after it does. When most people hear volcano, they picture lava flows, slow, glowing rivers that destroy everything in their path. But mega eruptions don't work like that. They don't announce themselves with dramatic lava fountains. They explode. A mega eruption, also known as a supereruption, releases more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of material in a single event. That's enough ash to bury entire countries, enough force to alter Earth's climate, enough chaos to push civilization to the brink. To put that into perspective, the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980 was devastating. A mega eruption would make it look microscopic. These events are so rare that none have happened in recorded human history, and yet we know they've happened before, which raises an unsettling question. If they've happened before, why wouldn't they happen again?
About 74,000 years ago, a volcano in what's now Indonesia erupted with unimaginable force. The name of that volcano was Toba. The explosion was so massive that ash covered huge portions of Asia. Sunlight dimmed, temperatures dropped, ecosystems collapsed. Some scientists believe this single eruption may have reduced the human population to just a few thousand individuals worldwide. Humanity didn't just face extinction, we nearly lost everything. And here's the part that should make you uneasy. Toba didn't look dangerous before it erupted. No towering cone, no rivers of lava, just a vast, quiet lake. A calm surface hiding something capable of ending the world.
Today, there are several supervolcanoes still very much alive. Yellowstone in the United States, Campi Flegrei beneath Italy, Ira Caldera in Japan, Taupo in New Zealand. They don't look like volcanoes in movies. They look like national parks, cities, lakes, and farmland. Millions of people live on top of them. And deep below, magma chambers stretch for miles, slowly refilling like a pressure cooker with no visible timer. Now here's the truth most headlines don't tell you. None of these volcanoes are about to erupt, but that's exactly what makes them terrifying. Mega eruptions don't follow human schedules. They don't give us decades of warning. And when the signs become obvious, it's already too late.
The eruption wouldn't begin with fire. It would begin with silence. Flights grounded as ash fills the upper atmosphere, power grids failing under the weight of falling debris, crops dying as sunlight fades behind a gray veil. Within weeks, global temperatures could drop dramatically, triggering what scientists call a volcanic winter. Food shortages wouldn't stay local, they'd spread across continents. Modern civilization depends on fragile systems, shipping lanes, satellites, supply chains, digital infrastructure. A mega eruption doesn't need to destroy cities to collapse the world. It just needs to disrupt it. And once that chain reaction starts, there's no reset button.
So the obvious question is, can we prevent a mega eruption? The honest answer is no. We can monitor pressure changes, track seismic activity, measure gas emissions, but we cannot release that pressure safely. We cannot drill into magma chambers without risking disaster. We cannot control forces that shape planets. Our technology is advanced. Our power is not infinite. And that realization, that we're still vulnerable, may be the most uncomfortable truth of all.
Here's the twist most people don't expect. The biggest danger of the next mega eruption isn't the volcano itself, it's our confidence. We've grown used to thinking that modern science will always save us, that warnings will come early, that solutions will appear just in time. But mega eruptions don't care about optimism. They remind us that Earth isn't a backdrop for human history, It's the author.
Somewhere beneath the surface, the planet is still alive, still shifting, still building pressure, still capable of reminding us how small we really are. The next mega-volcanic eruption could happen in 1,000 years, or in 10,000, but it will happen again. And when it does, humanity won't be watching history unfold, we'll be part of it. Quiet ground, invisible pressure, unstoppable force. This isn't a question of fear, it's a reminder. We don't live on Earth, we live because it allows us to, and that permission is never permanent.